when you're working with your programmer, you have to be very clear on what you want and be specific with the details. So you have to make sure you've done your research already before you hire someone to start working on your project. Okay, and you should also find out how long after they finish creating your software will they be able to fix any bugs. So, in my opinion, it should be at least 6 months after they've completed the software, where they could still fix anything that's wrong with your software. Another thing you want to do when you're creating a software product is not to just outsource everything to the programmer and then just be hands off. I mean, you really have to get involved and get your hands dirty if you really want this to be a successful software product. Okay, and instead of just telling them to just create your software product, you should break it down into smaller tasks so that it's easier to work on, and it'll be better for you to basically monitor the progress of your software product. Okay, so for example, you can have weekly or bi-weekly tasks or goals for them to complete to make it easier for you to manage this project. Okay, and you could also encourage your programmers or coders by giving them bonuses for doing well on some of the tasks that you give them. Okay, and you also want to let your programmers know ahead of time what your budget is so they know what to expect. And so, with that being said, you shouldn't pay by the hour because it's hard to track the actual hours that they work, and that only encourages people to take their time on your project.